think he's getting ready to take out. He's taking off. He's out. Peace out, yo. God, he's not cheating that great. There's the SD70 Ace. Witness the startup. Yes! 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 I witnessed my first startup on film. Gonna get a long view shot. He's got him full force. He's got that. And not cheat, boy. Now that's what you call a startup and a not cheat. I am happy. I'm the happiest man there is. Got adjusted. You look so tiny. My camera's at 1 bar. Peace. That engine is pretty damn cool. Here comes a bothering light rail. Thanks, light rail, for blocking my shot. He's on his way. Retarded light rails blocking my way. See? There he goes, blocking my way. They're hideous looking things. Oh, hideous looking commuter trains. Well, I like riding the light rails, but I just don't like looking at them. If they're a nicer design, then I love them even more. Oh, the skies are so blue. Nice. If I had my back turned, I wouldn't even notice me rolling away. That reflection of the car wasn't even there. That car wasn't there. You didn't see the reflection. Got to start up on film. The horn doesn't seem too loud. I'm happy. Me satisfied. As soon as he started that pitch up and had it programmed, they were gone. I'm the most happy happiest rail fan out there. Thanks, BNSF. I am wearing a Union Pacific hat, and I am rail fanning the BNSF line. But hey, you know what? I haven't gotten any BNSF hats. The Union Pacific hat I have here is the only railroad hat I have. Now he notched it up a bit. I can tell because speed's starting to pace a bit faster. Helper units are on their way. ST70 Max, an executive unit, and a BNSF unit. All both built in there. Nice. Now here they come. Speaking of the devil. helper units are. I got a startup of film, and I wonder where the helper units are. And there they are. Speaking of the devil. God. I don't even have a scanner. Guys, I don't even have a scanner, and I caught this on film. I don't even have a scanner. I'm great.